And at this point, I'd like to share some basic, I would say, rudimentary experience from my own life of how I have learned and struggled with cloud and kept building up my mastery. I think it's very, very essential for somebody to just learn the basics of system administration. And by that, I mean learning the basics of Unix, just some basic Unix commands or some basic PowerShell scripts if you are more familiar with Windows, and just learning some basics of how any application can be architected, right? It's also very important for you to start thinking about certifications and courses, and some of them I've mentioned as the last point on the slide. Um, each of these three major players, Amazon, Azure, and GCP, have their own learning courses and their own learning paths, and they all begin with a fundamental program. It's called the Cloud Practitioner in AWS, Azure Fundamentals for Microsoft Azure, and the Cloud Digital Leader for GCP. I have done these certifications myself, and I feel these are extremely important to just take that first or second step towards achieving the mastery that you will definitely get to in the next 2 or 3 years if you start with some small projects and some small steps today.